What's up, YouTube? Hello. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Faith, and I wanted to come on here and I want to talk to you guys about real quick. I just got off of work. It's 11:11. Make a wish. 11:11. And I'm really tired, but I really wanted to come on here because I wanted to tell you guys something that I noticed, and I don't know if anybody else noticed it too. But I was doing a little bit of research. I have bought in to FTFT, Future FinTech, and I've bought in a couple times actually, and I started a couple months ago because I know it's a penny stock. It's not too expensive. Right now it's currently trading at 518, this stock, but I believe, to me, there is a direct correlation between FTFT and Bitcoin. So let me kind of explain what I'm talking about, okay? First of all, I am not a financial advisor. This is strictly my opinion. This is what I've noticed, and if you guys want to buy in to this penny stock, I think that would be a great idea. I mean, I've made some money off of this stock a couple times already, and what I have been watching, ironically, is Bitcoin. So if you've bought into Bitcoin and you have shares in Bitcoin, when Bitcoin goes up, I have noticed FTFT slowly follows. And when that happens, I mean, just take your profits and get out. Do you know what I'm saying? So with that being said, right now I bought in again at 518 a share because I believe it's going to go higher. So what happened was, my very first time that I did buy a couple months ago, I hope I'm not like speeding through this so you guys don't have any, everyone can understand. I bought in, you and me must make a pact. We must, sorry, I have ADD, you guys, in case you can't tell. I get so sidetracked. So my first buy-in was in the beginning of February. I bought in at 6:30. Literally, I believe it was like within a week. I turned around and I sold off for $10.10. Holy Toledo. Okay, that's really good profit. That's really good return. So then I was like, okay, how do I get more? So I was afraid it was going to go lower or dip, and it did. It eventually went back down, corrected itself. It dipped, and when it dipped, I went back in. I bought more at $5.95, and then recently I just sold out again, and I sold out for... Oh, I bought even at $4.63. Wow, that was really low. Gosh, I wish it was that low again. Doesn't that suck when you buy out and then it's like, yeah, happens to be like that? Okay. So one time. Oh, here we go. I just sold out my shares again for, it looks, God, this is taking forever. I apologize, you guys. Like 802. So my average on that, I think, was like $5.30, and I cashed out for 802. So the first time 1010, the second time 802, and each time I was buying in basically the $5 range, and I sold within about a week of each other. The cool thing is that I did watch Bitcoin when purchasing. I've noticed there's some correlation there, and I just found out that FTFT also just acquired a Bitcoin farm that's actually ran on, I think it's like hydroelectricity, which is something that's kind of super cool too. So that allows for them to keep their electricity costs low too for their farming. But I think that this is going to grow substantially. I think $5.19 is a steal to get in. I probably wouldn't buy above 6 to get into FTFT, but I definitely would jump in, you guys. I just want to come on here and give you guys that advice. That's just my own opinion. This has been basically something that I've been kind of playing with for the last 2 months or so. I apologize for my crazy look, but I did want to come on here, share my experience with you. Hopefully you guys have the same experience. Buy in right now, because I do feel, like I said, $5.19 is so cheap. And just today, I see that Bitcoin is over $60,000 again. So I do anticipate on FTFT next week going higher, if not within the next 2 weeks going higher. But having Bitcoin surge like that and go high into the $60,000 range when we were just literally at 57, 58, even as low as 55 within the week is really good for us. I hope you all have a great Friday evening. I'm going to bed. I've got work again in the morning. And I hope you stay blessed, stay safe, stay tuned. Glass is always half full, people. But yeah, I hope you guys bought into Bitcoin. Give me your comments down below. Let me know if you've bought into FTFT. If you did, what was the price that you bought in at? If you've sold, etc., etc. All right, I'm going, Mimis. Good night.